We love the show. We think the home show is just a brilliant fit for us. And for us, it gives us the opportunity to meet with our clients and prospective clients.
It's always busy at the home show. It's a big day on your feet, but it is an awesome opportunity to again talk to a lot of people.
A lot of the people that come through are really eager to buy. We always seem to do really well.
It's my third home show that I've done now, and so I've just gone bigger, better, best. And what we find is that we get hundreds of contacts through the home show, and that all transfers into converted deals and instantly makes our money back and more. So for us, it's just a no-brainer.
Oh, look, for our investment here, our return looks pretty incredible.
The money that we get back out of it, that's why we keep coming back. That's all I can say,
I mean, Facebook and Instagram is fantastic, but this is nice to have that personal interaction at the time of them viewing.
It's been great. I've had so many good leads, and I'm really looking forward to being able to contact them after the weekend's over.
And would you exhibit at the Canterbury Home Show again?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Yeah, we'll be ready to sign up for the next one.
Not until October.